I fucking hate my birthday 'cause it means I'm getting older. Getting older means I can't use being young as an excuse. I think I'll kill myself so that I don't kill somebody else. And then I'll donate my body so that I can be of use. My body, who would want my organs, who would want these tired lungs, who would want this burned up throat, who would want my torn up arms, or my knuckles that are always bruised, or my coffee yellow teeth, or my nails that are always chewed. At the funeral they put so much makeup on my face that you can't even recognize who I was in the first place. Is it worse to be somewhat horrific or fake? For someone who doesn't eat much, I sure have a lot on my plate. Who would want my body? Who would want my organs? Who would want my fucked up skin or the burns on my hands? Want my greasy hair that keeps falling out, my breath that always smells like blood. I shower with the lights off, I can't recognize myself. Every picture's like a painting painted by somebody else. Am I hot shit? Or am I just shit? It's much too complicated